your requirement. For example, current now we use two languages, Chinese and English. If you wanted to use French or Spanish or other, you can try to we can try to design the operation language according to your requirement. And the first one, we can click English to enter the production page. And first, please first step, go to the instruction page to read the manuals carefully and to learn some basic knowledge about the instruction. For example, the order operation mode is the loading tab. The current order will be cleared after the completion, and the next order will be replaced the previous one. Continue to enter the order when a blank order appears. To prevent the machine from switching orders just when the order is entered, build stuff into is recommended. For example, please read those manuals carefully and then you can go to the next page. To make sure all the connection of the varying correct, please go to the manual operation. Manual operation, you can click those buttons and try to check the mode connection is correct or not. For example, you click it and then the mode will up and down. 这能点吗？不能点。
点了就往下冲。
有本没啥不走。
但是它不响。
那是亮的。
And this one is for nav lifter and nav down. And this is the manual operation to test all the wiring is correct or not. This is a manual screen. Before do the real production, please go to the manual page to check one by one. And then we go to the parameter setting. This parameter setting, it shows the basic parameters. Please don't change all the parameters here. All the parameter settings will make everything okay before leave our factory. But something necessary, please contact our engineer and do change the parameters here. And now we go to the next page, is a lens correction. This correction is used for to correct some lens sharing error. For example, when you do the real production, actually you have set the lens is 6 meters, but the actual production lens is 6,100. So you can input the set lens and the actual lens here, and then calculate the new correction and press this button only one time, and then it will do the correction by the machine itself. Please do not click it many times, just one time. And then we can go to another page, order setting. Here we allow you to set orders around 30, and here you can set the lens, and for example, here you can input the lens you wanted to do, and then
okay.
And then you can set how many pieces you want to do the production. For example, 90, and then next page here is the hole setting. For example, this hole setting means you can set the first hole. Each pieces our machine allows you to punch 30 holes, and you can input the first hole to the end, the start, how many lines you wanted to set. For example, the first hole to the end is 10. You can place OK, and the same way you can set the second hole to the start, how many longer you wanted to set, like this, after finish all the setting and then back to the next page. And I think by this way you can finish all the setting parameters here. And now another important change screen we can show here. And if you want to do the production of C, we have marked the numbers here A, B, C instead of each part, the height, bottom. And here you can try to modify the height and the width you wanted to do the production. For example, this is the current length. It shows the current size of the production now. And if you wanted to set the size, for example, the height, you want to set, for example, height of 80, and then OK. And if you want to set the bottom length, 200, and then click OK. And the material thickness you want to use 2 mm or 3 mm. You can click here. Then click the button change over start. All the machine will do the size changing fully automatically, and don't do anything, and then it will do the production automatically. But when you do the size changing, please make sure there's no coil in the machine, or else it will damage the rollers, and you can't do it successfully. OK，可以吧？